Modi Kaka is found to be the finest human being, number one. I would call him a sant in the form of industrialist. He may be doing business or whatever, but his core was like a sant. For him, the life was very important. He used to care for the people. And he used to guide us, he used to support us, he used to appreciate what we have been doing.
That is not only to listening of the Bhagavad Gita or the Upanishad. He has digested the Gita, he has digested Upanishads. Because I knew him that in all ups and downs of his life, in all, you can say a autumn or maybe a spring, he was the same person. Calm, quiet, composed, and with all divine serenity.
नॉर्मली मौन में ऐसा होता है कि हर एक को एक ब्लैंक पेपर दिया जाता है जिसमें उनको स्टेटमेंट लिखना होता है अबाउट हिज एक्सपीरियंसेस इनसाइड द रूम. मोदी जी नेवर रोट एनीथिंग. मैं पूछता था कि आप कुछ तो लिखिए. बोले धीमन भाई टाइम आने पे लिखेंगे.
So in the middle of 2011, he came here soon after leaving that ashram where he used to go there. And on his way back to Ahmedabad, he came here. And that time also he said, Bharat, finish this job as early as possible and make this hospital as good as any corporate hospital. And he used to tell me that don't compromise with the quality, and charity does not necessarily mean compromising with quality. So that's the last word he said. He also spoke to me that whatever resources you have should be put to the good use of or for the welfare of the people. जो पैसा हो ये सत्कर्म में वापरजो. These are the couple of things he spoke to me, and he meant it. And we carry forward that legacy as on today.